Hello everyone, welcome to motowow. This is the 2022 Honda CRF300 RALLY. This bike has 286cc single-cylinder engine with 76mm bore by 63mm stroke. Honda claims its power is 27 horsepower and 26.6 Nm of torque. 10.7 to 1 compression ratio with a top speed of 129 km/h. Tank capacity of 12.8 liters and fuel consumption of 32.3 km/L. Can cover a distance up to 413 km until the fuel tank is empty. Before we continue this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and activate the bell notification. Don't forget to like and leave the comment. Honda uses Showa upside-down front suspension with 43mm of diameters and the ProLink monoshock for the rear suspension. In the braking sector, this bike uses Nissan 2-piston caliper ABS, 296mm and Nissan single-piston caliper ABS, 220mm for the rear brake. The front tire is 80,100 with 21 rim. And the rear tire is 120/80 with 18 rim, spoke wheels. This motorbike has dimensions of length, 2,230mm. Wheelbase, 1,455mm. Seat height 885mm. While the lowest distance to the ground is 275mm. The width is 920mm calculated from the handguard on the handlebar. This bike has a wet weight of 153 kilograms. Here are the full details of the specifications and price. This 2022 Honda CRF300 RALLY motorbike just has one color option, red.